Hi friends, welcome back to QforQuality channel. Today we will understand the very important concept process capability and process stability. First one is process capability. The definition is it is the ability of a process to meet the customer specification is called as process capability. Process stability means whether the process is behaving consistently over a period of time is called as process stability. Whenever we use the process capability, this word, it is talking and it is with respect to the specification limits. Whenever we are using the stability, it is with respect to the control limits. Okay, one example like parameter is the width. Okay, spec is 10 plus minus 1 mm. Upper specification limit is 11, lower specification limit is 9, target is equal to 10. Okay, so this is the upper specification limit, this is the lower specification limit, and this is the target. So this is 11, this is 9, and this will be 10. Okay, now when we take the sample size of 30, so sample size is n equal to 30 readings. So when we plot it, all the points are within the specification limits. It means that process is capable because all the points are within the specification limit, and we can say that process is capable. Let us take the same example and understand the control limits. So this is the upper specification limit, this is the lower specification limit, and this is the target. So this target is equal to 10, upper specification is 11, lower is 9. Okay, same sample size we will take as n equal to 30. Okay, so here this is the dotted line, this is the dotted line, this is upper control limit, this is lower control limit. These upper control limit and lower control limit calculated based on sample size, based on sample data. What this data, with this data we are calculating these control limits, and these specification limits is given by customer. Okay, so when I plot these 30 samples over here, so all sample 30 points are within the control limits. We can say it as a stable process. Stable process. Okay, why we are calling it as a stable process? Because all the points are within the control limits. There is no point crossing the above control limit or below control limit. Okay, that's why we are calling it as a stable process. So the main aim of the SPC is what? Main goal of SPC is stable and capable process. Okay, stable capable process means what? See, you can see here all the points are within the control limit and within the spec limits. This is the stable and capable process. This is the stable and capable process. Capable process. Okay, what is the example of uncapable example? In an uncapable example is this one. So uncapable example is, let us take same example. This upper control limit, upper specification limit, this is lower specification limit, this is the target. Okay, so this is, so here 2 points which are crossing the specification limit. It is a not capable. Process is not capable. Why? Because it is producing the rejections out of specification limits. Okay. And if see, this is okay, here crossing the upper control limit, here it is crossing the upper control limit, here it is crossing the upper control limit. Okay, and here there is a pattern, here it is a pattern, it is moving in an increasing order. So it is a capable. Okay, this is capable but not stable. Capable but not stable. Why we are calling it as a capable? It is within the specification limit. This is upper is what, 11, lower is, it is 9, target is 10. Okay, it is within the specification limits. Okay, but it is crossing the control limits. That's why we are calling it as a capable process but not stable process. So what we have to do here, we have to eliminate all the special causes which are meet which are affecting our process. These are the special causes. These are the special causes. All these special causes we have to eliminate by doing form analysis. Okay, then we have to bring back a stable condition. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Thank you very much. We will understand some more concepts related to process capability and process performance in coming our videos. If you like this one, please subscribe my channel, like and comment. For any questions, please ask. We'll revert you. Thank you very much.